Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer Cars. I am in my Volkswagen Vanagon Westfalia right now, and I'm actually at a Volkswagen bus event. But before I take you outside to show you, I just wanted to get into what this video is about. I've been coming here for the past 7 years, and there's always a swap meet on Saturday mornings, and today was finally the day where I got a new grill. I got a non-cracked grill for my Volkswagen Vanagon. And it's in really good shape. It even has the big emblem, which these are pretty rare to find one with the big emblem. This is an original OEM part. These are worth like 100, 120 bucks. I got it for 10 bucks. So yeah, I figured might as well install it right now, show you the difference, show you what the condition of mine was like, and then what it's like with this on. Also, you see these, how it's darker here? This one actually still has the baffles, which direct the airflow. And my current one doesn't have any of that either. So yeah, sweet. Let's go put it on. All right, so here we are at Busfusion. Excuse the noise because this is in it's in a town, so people are mowing their lawns and stuff. But this is one of the biggest VW events, and I have a drone flyover of this that I filmed a few years ago, so you can go check that out if you want. I figured, let's put the grill on. As you can see, the state of my current grill, this is all broken here. This is all broken. It's been repainted. I don't have any of the chrome. It's all cracked up. It should just be 4 screws. It's one of the simplest mods you can do. There's a 4th screw here somewhere, right here. Oh, there's one in the center. There's 5 screws. I forgot the center one. There. That's it. Now it's off. Now we can put the new one on. I was talking to one other guy. He said that's what the baffles that are on here, the baffles are to block off the airflow, because the air will hit that and then it becomes like an air dam. Where's your efficiency? Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just we'll pop it in the top here. Oh, we got a crying kid.
They're coming back.
Oh, because I was trying to put it on upside down. Oh, I'm so dumb. Okay, I was trying to put it on upside down the whole time. Never mind. I might paint it. It's a bit of a different look. I'm not sure I like the silver surround, but anyway, it is in better condition, except for it's got this nick out of the corner, which mine was better condition here, but it has all the slats, and it has the air baffle, which is good. So that was it, just a quick one, putting the new grill on. It does look better. Once I clean it up, maybe paint it a little bit, it's gonna look really sweet. I do like it. One other thing I got at the show, well, 2 other things, I might as well show you here. On the early Vanagons, there is this socket here, which, oh, it's very tight. That's called the silver socket. Almost nothing uses it. It's like a BMW style accessory. It's a Euro plug for DC sockets. There's a guy at the show selling these adapters. So it adapts it to our North American style cigarette style lighter. I can use it because that's awesome, because now I can be, you know, using whatever. I've got a USB charger in the silver socket while I'm putting in solar power to my other socket. I don't have a house battery in this van. House battery could sit under here, but I just have my main starter battery here. Anyway, I got this really cool t-shirt too. Hashtag van life. Right, one more upgrade from the bus, from Busfusion. I have this light, and it's incandescent or halogen, whatever. It draws a lot of power, and I've always wanted to upgrade it. And there was a guy here selling the LED equivalent, so let's pop this in. This is the LED upgrade. It's supposed to be 180 lumens, warm white. So let's take out the stock one. It's, you reach in behind, there's a little button that you press, and then you should just be able to pop it down. Yeah, and then slip it off. You just pull the bulb out. It's got little prongs. You don't want to, it's actually already hot from, you just want to wiggle it a little bit, pull it out. It's got those prongs on it. So we'll out with the old and in with the new. I don't think polarity matters, even though it's DC. We'll soon find out. Okay, plug her in. There. I don't know if that's brighter or not, but it works. Okay, cool. The big benefit of this is that it uses way less power. Probably uses like 1/10 of the power. So yeah, put that on, push the button, put it back in. Sweet. Much more efficient light. Guys, so that was it. Probably a quick one. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.